So D-Brand's back. This time they're legally allowed to be back. Yeah, they actually did post on Twitter. They said legally now we are allowed to release stuff for the Steam Machine. So they're releasing skins for the Steam Machine, and I'm not gonna lie, these skins are actually pretty amazing. So pretty much what they do is they include the faceplate, which can be interchangeable, and then you just put the skin on the rest of the actual unit, and it looks so freaking good. So this is the obviously box being shipped one. You have a basketball one, which I don't know if I like the basketball one, to be honest. You have the old time computer one, which is just called a terminal, which of course, look at that, man. That's a gorgeous looking one. I give them credit there. We have flat Earth. We have a bricks. Like some of these, I think are just kind of stupid. Like the bricks is kind of stupid. Maybe listen. There's someone out there who probably sees the bricks and goes, "That's it. That's the number one." You got the dice. You got the white dice. You got the black dice, which I kind of like these two, to be honest. You got orange. You got the green. You got the touch grass, which this isn't actually grass. It's like a I want to say it was like a turf type of grass, but it's fake grass. It's not real grass. So if you think that this is gonna be a good substitution for not actually touching grass, that's not the case. We have the glow in the dark / actually no, it is glow in the dark one. We have X-ray, which don't really love their X-ray skins, but it's there. We have black leather, so you can get black leather for this. You got real brown leather. You got real tan leather. Also, I mean, they're actually making this actually look really, really good. I actually appreciate this because I feel like, in general, the Steam Machine is not worth it in the slightest, but when you add in the custom skins, it makes it even look better for someone who wasted $1,000 on this device. But, I mean, it's probably, I would assume, it's not going to push someone to buy this device because these skins are also like $40. But I guess it kind of does also make sense because, this has so much going on. Way too much going on. We got the dead quarters. We got that. We got toxic waste. Sea breeze. And then kind of minimalistic ones. So, yeah. Cool. And then you also have, like, the typical, like, color classics. So, finally, they are giving us this, which for the longest time, they kind of couldn't because they didn't have the rights to do it. And they tried to come out with that whole, companion cube. Did not work because they didn't have the rights to do it. Now they finally are, have the rights. So, $40 for a skin. That's it, though. They don't have anything else customizable. But I did make a video a little while ago. I think it was like a week and a half ago. About custom faceplates. So a lot of companies now, they're getting into this trend of doing custom faceplates for these Steam machines. So if you want to pick one up, I have a video on it on the channel. Not sponsored or anything. I just found the website myself. But yeah, I get no commission on any of this, by the way. None of this. But yeah, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, and hit the like and subscribe button. But Steam machines finally have a purpose. Well, kinda. Little bit.